In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Kalodata product ranking. By the end, you'll know exactly how to find products with real momentum and understand why they're winning. Start by opening your browser and searching for Kalodata. When the results appear, choose the official site. Look for a secure connection and a clean, professional layout to be sure you're in the right place. Once you're in, log into your account so you can access the full set of filters and performance data. From the top menu bar, select the Product tab. This is where the ranking magic happens. You'll see a wide view of products, but we want to make this relevant to your market, so choose your target country. For example, if you're selling to a United States audience, switch the region to that market. Regional data ensures you're not chasing trends that won't convert for your customers. Next, set the time window to the past 7 or 30 days. The last 7 days is great for catching fresh momentum. The last 30 days helps you confirm that a spike is becoming a trend instead of a one-off burst. Switching between the two can give you both recency and stability. Now apply a growth filter. Aim for products with at least a 10% growth rate. If you're hunting for breakout winners, look for weekly growth in the 200 to 500% range. That kind of surge signals rapid attention, but remember, steep spikes can be volatile. Use the time windows to verify consistency. Then, narrow by price. Target an average unit price between $15 and $45. You can stretch to $80 if the offer is strong. This range tends to perform best for impulse purchases on short-form platforms, where quick decisions and accessible price points drive conversions. With your filters set, it's time to interpret performance. Review total revenue, items sold, and the historical sales curve. Consistent climbing lines are generally healthier than a single sharp peak, which might indicate a fleeting trend or supply constraints. If you see steady, week-over-week growth, that's a promising sign. Drill into creator data to see who is promoting the product and how much revenue their specific videos or live streams are generating. This helps you match product potential with proven audience fit and creative formats. Finally, study the top-performing videos for each product. Pay attention to hooks, on-screen text, pacing, demo clarity, and calls to action. Note what tone and structure repeatedly drive sales, and use those patterns to guide your own creative strategy. That's the full workflow. Get into Kalodata, open the Product tab, set your region and time window, filter by growth and price, then validate with revenue, sales history, creator performance, and winning creatives. Repeat this process regularly to stay ahead of the curve.